Okay, I don't know if I've waited. I don't know if you can see it. And hear it. It is raining so hard. It is sheeting off the roof because it's raining more than any of the gutters can handle. Okay. I just grabbed the phone. I was in the open garage door. I'm going to just kind of waltz over to the garage. Sorry, I don't have the lights on in the office. There, see, that was the office. So I was out here, and I'm watching the wind blow these sheets. You can see them, the sheets of white water as it hits. And first it was blowing left to right. This is almost straight down by comparison now. And then it just went totally the opposite, and it was being blown up the driveway in huge sheets. So this is seriously calmed down. This is for, oh, there you go again. See the waves of water coming and being blown in? Whoa! Holy shit. This is the best thunderstorm this summer. Absolutely the best and longest. Whoa. Well, I don't have to worry about taking my car to a car wash. There's my little Fit getting power washed by God. But just crazy. Whoa, here comes another one. And the lights flicker. Wow. Oh yeah. The wind's going. This is, of course, my little forest over here. Woo! It's a lot windier on this side. Isn't that wild? Look at that. Oh, here comes another one. Now, usually when we have thunderstorms, it rains and not this hard, but for maybe, 5-10 minutes tops. And then steam comes up off the road and everything's dry, in, another 10. This is just crazy. Look at the wind just pushing it in. Oh yeah, I'm not going outside. I'm not driving in this. I've been driving on this in the main drag. Everybody slows down to maybe 5 miles an hour. Woo! Hitting me. Wow. Ooh, it's getting worse. Holy shit. Wow. Insane, huh? And here I am with the door open, drying it off, because I had the garage power wash this morning, so I can put one of those epoxy floors in. Wow. It's just not letting up. Well, I'm over 6 minutes now. My God. So, I suppose I could upload this to YouTube. Here comes another one. Now, there was lightning. There it is. It is moving away. Doesn't look like it by the rain, though, does it? Just amazing. Look at that. Absolutely crazy. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know what the back is going to look like. It can't be contained. Absolutely cannot be contained by my poor rain gutters, and I have tons of rain gutters. I'm not even sure I'm going to want to be out here. Oh yeah, the whole carpet is wet. I mean, you can see it's literally pooling over here. Although actually you can kind of see a little bit better with the green. Oh yeah. Well, it's not as bad as it used to be. For heaven's sakes. Just, woo. Man, oh man. Yeah, I don't want to get too close because it's go away, baby. Just fabulous. And still there's more lightning. And oh yeah, this is where I painted the porch. See, it just really coming down. Isn't that something? Yeah, I don't think I want to go out there. I used to love going out in one of those rain ponchos. You know, how loud it would be on your head under a cloudburst like this? Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, it looks so cozy inside. In reality, the air conditioning's on. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Ooh. Wow. I wonder if we're going to have flooding. Yeah, I can see the little edge of the round part of my grass here. That will end up going all the way around and then down the side of my house on one side and next to the garage on the other side. Oh man. Okay, I'm getting rained on sideways. 10 feet under the... Here, I'm getting rained on. Wow. My God. Oh. Good heavens. Okay. Cozy, cozy. Oh, man. Where are people to buy your house? Look how cozy this is. Look how cozy it is, although I don't have any of my fancy lights on. And of course, that was hysterically funny looking at my front storm door, and it was just simply a sheet of water. Same thing for my front windows in my office. Nutty. Nutty, nutty. And I also had the front walk steam cleaned. Hi there. Wow. Damp. Damp, damp, damp. Well, here we are. South Carolina. Oh yeah, I don't think you can see it. I have an absolute river. Yeah, you can. A river going down the side of my house. And it is